Hey guys, so what's up? It's me, Yashvia Gaming. How's it going, guys? To cut it short, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna currently update your PC BIOS. Okay. I'm using this motherboard, Aorus Master. Okay, X670E Aorus Master version 1.x. All right. So what you need, all you want is to find your motherboard, make and model. Alright, and you're gonna click on support. Then I'm gonna click BIOS, and then I'm gonna scroll up all the way up, which is latest BIOS is version F33F. Alright, so you can see the update size of this and the date release. And here you can, underneath the description, you can see the checksum. You can see it has improved memory performance and compatibility update to for Ryzen 9000 series X3D CPU performance optimized, add X3D turbo mode support, and fifth, now system will ask if user wants to enable X3D turbo mode or not at the first boot of the X3D CPU is installed. So I'm just gonna hit download right there. Okay. Alright, downloading. I'm just gonna hit open. And I don't need everything in that. I only need this one, the X670E Aorus Master the BIOS version, which is F33F. Alright, and last but not least, all you want to do is to slide a USB flash drive, a USB pen drive. Okay, and as you can see, I had a previous BIOS which is F33D. Okay, so after you've done that, all you want to do is to format your pen drive, your flash drive into FAT32, and make sure that quick format is selected, and simply hit OK, start. Okay, all you want to do is to drag and drop this on the root of the USB flash drive. Okay guys, so here's a PC. Alright, and I've inserted the USB flash drive right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna turn off the flashlight on my camera, on my phone camera. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna run as administrator, and then I'm gonna hit yes. All right, and then I'll be getting this. Now all I gotta do is to sit tight and let this restart, and you will see that it will directly take me into BIOS. Okay, so this will save me the time. I don't need to spam on the delete key or the F12, whatever. Okay, just as you see, so if yours is on easy mode, so you're gonna switch it. If it's on easy mode right there, you're gonna switch to advanced mode above right there. Okay, then what you want to do, you're gonna click on this right here, Q flash, or you can press the F8 button. F8, locate it on your keyboard, just press it. You'll be brought to this right there, update BIOS. Then all you want is click this button, and then you're gonna see it right there. Okay, F33F. So here's my current flash. My current flash is BIOS version F33D. So I'll be updating to F33F. Okay, then I'm gonna select this, select the BIOS, and then I'm gonna click this small arrow button. I'll get another prompt. Okay, I'll get another prompt like this one. Update BIOS is protected by secure flash. Are you sure? Yes. So once I click yes, I'll get this and then it's gonna be say to reboot. I'm gonna click this button right here, and the PC will shut off. Okay, and the PC will shut off and it will restart. So once it boots, and then the installation of the BIOS will begin. Right, it's gonna begin to flash the update, the BIOS. You can see right there, updating BIOS. Here's my current flash, and here's the update BIOS. Alright guys, so once it okay, right here it has finished flashing. Okay, so if you don't do anything, it will restart the PC. Alright, so once it restarted the PC, you're good to go. Okay, so yeah, if the BIOS messed something, okay, you must always go back to BIOS and load into optimized default, and then go back to BIOS one more time, and then change like your DDR5 memory. Okay, you'll see that you'll notice that it's gonna change the frequency of your RAM, okay, of your memory RAM. All right, so you have to go back to BIOS and change some settings, some tweaks. That's it, that's all.